As COVID-19 numbers across the country continue to see a downward turn in cases, hospitalizations, and deaths, many are asking, what's next? Fox 14's Jack Kessler has more from a local health expert on what the Amarillo area could see.
With states nationwide dropping mask mandates as COVID cases decline, Amarillo Public Health Authority Dr. Todd Bell says the Amarillo area shouldn't act so fast in doing the same.
Right now in Amarillo, we're in kind of a mixed bag. Our case transmission numbers are still dropping, and again, they're looking much better than what they did just a few weeks ago. That's very encouraging. However, we still have a lot of strain on the healthcare system. We still have really high census in the hospital, and we want to try to make sure that we don't do anything that contributes to that strain.
Dr. Bell adds it's a good idea to keep masking for a little bit longer.
I honestly think within the next few weeks, though, we're going to be in a really good position from a transmission rate standpoint to be able to stop wearing those masks.
Dr. Bell also addressed the topic of removing mitigation efforts and the possibility of another surge down the line, in which mitigation efforts would have to be put back into place, like masking and social distancing.
I think it's going to be hard to get folks to adhere to any sort of mitigation activities with the next surge that we have. And we just hope that the next surge is going to be mild enough that we don't really have to depend on those mitigation activities.
Dr. Bell adds we could see another surge of COVID-19 in June or October. He says he believes it will more likely happen in the fall, and adds he doesn't think it's going to be as significant or severe as Delta or Omicron. Dr. Bell adds that with each new variant, it focuses on transmissibility and not severity.
If the virus had a choice, it would rather be transmissible, and it wouldn't care whether it's severe or not, as long as it can spread. That's its one objective, is to move from person to person.
Dr. Bell also adds the importance of kids wearing masks in school, as that is one main reason that schools across the country have been able to keep their doors open and continue to teach. Live in studio, Jack Kessler, Fox 14 News. Judd?
All right, Jack, thank you. Dr. Bell adds that vaccination still the safest way to be able to get that immunity from COVID-19.